So in this question, we have 5 over 6 minus 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 3. And the multiplication precedent is higher than subtraction, therefore we have to do this first, and then we can subtract this first number by the second fraction. So we have 5 over 6 minus 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 3, and then we can cancel this because it's the same number, and we can divide both by 2, just 2 and 1. So we have 1 over 2 as our answer. And well, we have 5 over 6 minus 1 over 2 now, but as you can see here, the